Meaning of fiscal policy. So here if you see, most of the students think that fiscal policy is equal to budget. Okay, so I am not denying that you are wrong. Okay, yes, budget is one of the part of fiscal policy. Okay, budget is one of the part of fiscal policy. So basically when we say fiscal policy, so fiscal policy means strategy with respect to management of money available with government. Okay, strategy with respect to management, strategy with respect to management of money available with government. So here our focus is on government of India. Okay, so we can say in our context, because we are studying Indian economy. Okay, so here our focus is government of India. Okay, so we can say strategy with respect to management of money available with government of India. And if you see, when we talk about government of India, so government of India, you can say, have three types of funds or accounts where they maintain their you can say money or collect their money. So I hope you have studied in polity: consolidated fund of India, public account fund of India, as well as contingency fund of India. Okay, so government has three types of fund or accounts, that is consolidated fund of India, second public account fund of India, and third contingency fund of India. Okay, so ultimately government has these three funds. Okay, these three funds or these three types of accounts, you can say, three type of account where government have money with them. Okay, where government have money with them. So when you are managing that, okay, whenever you are managing that, or whatever strategy you have with respect to management of money in these three funds, that is called fiscal policy. That is why this chapter has been given a name, public finance also. Okay, because if you see in all these funds, the money that government have, that comes from public only, and government is working for the public only. That is why public finances. Okay, now budget is just part of this consolidated fund of India. Okay, budget, if I talk about budget, so budget is just a part of consolidated fund of India. Okay, budget is just part of this, and you know in your polity that consolidated fund of India is, you can say, is under the control of parliament. Okay, this public account is under the control of government of India, that is Ministry of Finance. Ministry of Finance. Number three, contingency fund of India is under the control of, you can say, President of India. Clear? Now if you understood this thing, like in 2011 UPSC asked one question, that whatever taxes, okay, or you can say receipts that we are going to talk about, whatever taxes or you can say expenditure made by the government in the financial year, okay, in the financial year, okay, so whatever taxes that government receives, okay, which that goes into which fund? So that goes into consolidated fund of India. So nothing has to do with, it has to be do with public account and contingency fund of India. Okay, so whatever taxes we pay, okay, which are part of receipts, which we are going to talk, okay, so you can say whatever taxes we pay, okay, taxes paid by the people or public will be a part, or where it goes to consolidated fund of India. consolidated fund of India. Clear? So it does not go there. Okay, it does not go any other fund. Okay, it goes to consolidated fund of India, and this is what UPSC asked in 2011. Okay. Now similarly, when we talk about public account fund of India, okay, public account fund of India. So in public account fund of India, money comes from, you can say, government saving schemes, for example provident fund. So if you are working, or if you are working corporate, so whatever money, okay, whatever money you give in the form of provident fund, that will be a part of public account fund of India. Okay, so ultimately this is a part of public account fund of India. So ultimately you can say provident fund. Okay, so this is just one example that I have given you, although there are another government saving schemes. So this is just one example. So we'll talk about that. Okay, so it is only for your understanding I am telling you about. Okay, we are in this chapter, we are interested only in two types of fund, that is consolidated and public account. We are not interested in contingency. Okay, but still I'll tell you the role of contingency later in this chapter itself. Clear? So ultimately, first of all, remember, this is the meaning of fiscal policy. So you cannot say that fiscal policy is equal to budget. Budget is a part of fiscal policy. I hope till here it is clear.